Hi everyone, it's Napa Valley Mommy. Welcome to the unboxing video of Snack Magic. My husband received this gift in the mail. It's basically a box filled with unique snacks. And these are snacks that you would find at a boutique grocery store or market, places like Whole Foods, and even places like Shark Tank. So here is what the box looks like when you first open them up. We had a variety of different snacks ranging from candies to nuts to chips, even bars and granolas and things like that. This is the Behave Sour Gummy with lychee, passion fruit, and raspberry. These are the dry roasted macadamia nuts with a zesty salsa flavor. This one here is the Strawberry Mallow Granola Bites. It's oats blended with seeds, marshmallows, and dried strawberries. I can't wait to try this. Here are the Oregon Orchard Rosemary Hazelnuts. And they're pretty individually sized snacks. This one here is the Orange Mousse. It seems like they're crackers with orange mousse inside. This one is a Treat House Rice Krispie flavored with caramel sea salt. This is a little Numa strawberries and cream nougat, or taffy, shall I say. This is the Candy Ultimate Party Blend, and I really like the marketing on this package. Next, we have the Nature's Heart Churro Cacao Pecan Crunch with pepitas, toasted coconut, and sea salt. Moving on to the chips, we have the Hen of the Woods kettle cooked potato chips flavored with buttermilk and chive. We have the Saber Smith's vegan Wagyu beef and honey mustard potato chips. I like the little cow with the kimono and the umbrella. That's cute. And lastly, we have the Fun Day Food glazed donut flavored kettle cooked potato chips. Now, it seems like all of these snacks are really interesting. And lastly, we have the Teetulia chamomile tea and the Daily Beauty blueberry lavender tea. And this is what we're going to try today, along with the candy. So this is the ultimate party mix. As you can see, it's a mix of gummy bears. And this one here is a gummy butterfly that's either grape or lavender flavor. This here is the blueberry lavender tea, which was really smooth. I'm dipping my macaroon in my tea and it was delicious. So thank you so much for watching this unboxing Snack Magic video. If you would like more videos like this, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.